Informal learning refers to any type of learning that occurs outside of a structured, formal educational setting. It happens spontaneously and can take many forms, such as self-directed study, social interactions, or experiential activities. Unlike formal education, which follows a specific curriculum and is often conducted in a classroom, informal learning is typically more flexible and driven by personal interests. This type of learning can take place anywhere, from watching tutorials online to learning new skills through volunteer work or hobbies. Now let's look at some examples of informal learning. One common example is learning through hobbies. For instance, a person might teach themselves how to play an instrument by watching online videos or practicing with friends. Another example is learning from life experiences, such as a student who gains practical knowledge about teamwork and leadership through participating in a school project or community organisation. Additionally, informal learning can occur in everyday interactions, like when a child learns problem-solving skills by playing video games, or when adults gain new ideas by discussing topics with acquaintances. Next, let's examine the strengths of informal learning. One significant advantage is its flexibility. Learners can choose what, when, and how they want to learn, which makes it more engaging and personalised. Informal learning often leads to deeper motivation and enjoyment since it is aligned with individual interests and passions. Moreover, it fosters creativity and critical thinking, as people tackle problems in ways that a formal curriculum might not encourage. Lastly, informal learning can occur in various contexts, allowing learners to acquire diverse skills and knowledge outside the boundaries of traditional education systems. While informal learning has many strengths, it also has some weaknesses. One challenge is the lack of structure and guidance, which might result in gaps in knowledge or skills if learners do not approach their learning with intention. Furthermore, informal learning experiences can sometimes lead to misconceptions or inaccuracies, as learners may not have access to expert information or reliable sources. Additionally, there may be fewer ways to measure informal learning compared to formal education, making it harder to validate the skills or knowledge gained. Lastly, not everyone has equal access to opportunities or resources for informal learning, which can create disparities in skill development among individuals. Now let's consider the importance of informal learning. It plays a crucial role in lifelong learning, as it encourages individuals to continually seek out new knowledge and skills throughout their lives, rather than relying solely on traditional educational pathways. Informal learning can be particularly important in adapting to an ever-changing job market, where new skills need to be learned quickly and efficiently. Additionally, it helps people develop critical soft skills such as communication, collaboration, and adaptability, which are essential for success in both personal and professional environments. Recognizing the value of informal learning can help create a more well-rounded approach to education that complements formal studies